Okay, let's get into my beauty room details. First, we have this Sam's Club mirror. So if you'd like to see how I turned it from that to this, keep watching. I got these wooden appliques from Amazon. I have those linked if you guys would like to purchase those. But I just took some antique gold and some metallic gold and spray painted those. I did antique gold, metallic gold, and then antique gold once again. So I did 3 coats because I was trying to get it to match the gold of the mirror. But I also went in later on and got some of the gold rub and placed it on there. But you guys will see that shortly. Next up, I went with the E6000. I placed it on the back of each wooden applique. And the bottom pieces, they were able to adhere on their own. The side pieces, I had to add painter's tape to hold them down. That was the best thing that I saw. You'll notice here that the back of it is still wooden. You can spray paint that gold if you like, but you weren't going to be to see it. So I just went in later on, and the parts that you can't see in the mirror, I just put some of the antique gold rub and buff. Next up, you'll see me placing the painter's tape right here on top of this applique, and then I'm just going to let it sit for about 24 hours or however many hours you have. Okay, let's get into the star of the show. We have the LED lights. I'll have these linked as well, but you'll see me here. I'm just placing the LED lights around the back of the mirror, but don't do that if you like to get that glowy effect because I end up changing it. You'll see shortly. Make sure you cut this piece right here where it has the scissors, and you're going to make sure that cord is at the bottom so it'll be right by the socket when you plug it in, so don't put it at the top. All right, you should be good to go. You plug this in, and it's going to light up. Bam. All right, so you'll notice here that it's at the back initially. Then I end up changing it, and now it's kind of like on the sides. You see right here, it's on the top. I ended up changing it because you couldn't really see the lights, but this on the side and the top, it looks way better. Next up, this is optional, but I took some of the antique gold rub and buff, and then I just placed it on a sponge, and then I went in and rubbed it with my finger, so you'll see that it gives it more of that antique gold look, and it's blending in with the mirror better. And I also went to the top because if you look at this photo, you'll notice that it's giving like a tannish, grayish vibe at the top. But I personally wanted it to have that antique gold all around. So I'm just going to rub and buff this as well. And then you'll see here that it has more of that antique gold look. And then we're going to get a final look of the mirror coming up. We're just going to go ahead and enjoy all of this greatness all around. And then we're going to back up and see, voila, this is how it looks with the lights on, lights off, and then low light. Let me know what you guys think, and follow along if you would like to see more videos on how I transform my beauty room. I have linked all the supplies used in the description box below for an easy shopping list. If you found this video helpful or you simply enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Chat later.